Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will guide you on how to enter the Philips Smart TV service menu. Please make sure the TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original Philips infrared remote. Always take photos original settings before changes. Wrong adjustments may cause display or software issues. Now let us start with the service menu access methods. Method 1. Most effective Philips service menu code. This is the most widely working service menu code for Philips TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Press the following keys quickly and in correct sequence: 0, 6, 2, 5, 9, 6, menu. After pressing the last key, the Philips service menu will appear on the screen. If this method does not work on your TV, do not worry. Now try the next method. Method 2. Alternative service menu code. Keep the TV powered on. Press the following keys in sequence: 0, 6, 2, 5, 9, 6, OK. On some Philips TV models, this code opens the service alignment menu directly. If your TV is a hotel or hospital use model, use this method. Method 3. Hotel or factory menu code. Keep the TV powered on. Press the following keys in sequence: 3, 1, 9, 7, 5, 3, mute. This method works mainly on Philips hotel or hospital TVs. Once you enter the service menu, you will see many advanced options. From this menu, you can check the panel information and panel type. You can view the software version and chassis details. You can access white balance and ADC calibration settings. You can enable or disable hotel or hospitality mode. You can also check error logs and total usage hours. Do not change calibration values unless you are a trained technician. Now I will explain how to exit the Philips service menu safely. To exit safely, press the power button once on the remote. Let the TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the TV on normally. This ensures the TV boots properly without software or display issues. If this video helped you fix your Philips Smart TV problem, please give this video a like. Share this video with your friends who may need it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV repair solutions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.